Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up a brand new subscription to our channel that is called Tea, Pray, Love. It came in this box right here. It's kind of heavy. I'm curious to see what's inside. So since this is a new subscription to our channel, I like to pull up some information so we can learn a little bit more about it before I open it. So I have it open here. So Tea, Pray, Love. It was launched in March 2019. It has a focus on bringing wellness to everyone's doorstep. Their boxes consist of artisan loose leaf tea, self-care books, journals, and face body care products. They also include additional surprises like nutritional snacks, candles, and more. And one thing I love about this box, when I was doing a little research a few minutes ago before filming, is that it is bi-monthly. You guys know I love bi-monthly boxes. It gives you time to actually use your products in between getting it and saves a few bucks. So another thing I love about this too is they have 2 subscription plans, so hopefully it can work out for you if you're interested. They have the Premier Box. I believe I'm opening up the Premier Box today. This was gifted to me. The Premier Box is $39.95, and then they have a petite version which is $29.95. And yeah, I'm gonna link their website down below and leave the pricing and all of that. But anyways, let's get this open and see what's inside. So when I open the box, everything is wrapped up nicely, and there's a sticker that says Tea, Pray, Love. And then on top there is some information which I love. And then, oh man, this thing smells really good. Here's a sneak peek. I always like to do that, but I really don't know if you guys can even see anything because I show up for like 1 second because I've dropped things before, but let's see. So it was right on top. It says, nourish your mind, body, and soul. And it says, want $5 off your next box? Share a photo of your unboxing on Instagram and tag them. That's cool. And okay, so this confirms I did get the premium box, and I love this. It lists all the ingredients, or not all the ingredients, it lists all the contents of the box with the description and pricing. I love when boxes do that. Oh, and great. I have a little personal note in here that looks like there is a promo code for all of you. That is amazing. Thank you for giving that to us. So Tea, Pray, Love says, please inform your followers that we offer a petite box, $29.95, in addition to the Premier Box, $39.95, which we already talked about. I looked that up beforehand. And they have discount codes. So I will leave the discount codes on the screen and down below. There's a different code for both boxes, but they're both 30% off. And that's a pretty good chunk of change. So thank you so much for providing that for us. So Premier 30 for 30% off the first Premier Box, or Petite 30 for 30% off the first Petite box. So again, that will all be down below along with the link to their website. Thank you again, Tea, Pray, Love. I love when we get discount codes. Everyone here does. And let's get started. Looks like we have some face masks right on top. And I do face masks several times a week. The first one's actually by Neutrogena. This is the Pink Grapefruit Acne Prone Skin Peel Off Mask. I definitely have acne prone skin, so this is supposed to unclog pores, cling to dirt, excess oil, and pore clogging impurities. It says one mask targets thousands of pores. Wow. So this is what that looks like. And this is $3.49. And then it talks a little bit more about how it works. It says this unique formula changes from liquid to a soft solid once applied, leaving your skin feeling soft and clean. So it looks like some of these items, like I said, there'd be some surprises, and this must be a surprise. This is a gold mask, gold essence, natural moisturizing factor in colloidal gold, makes skin healthy and vitalizing. So it's supposed to give elasticity and nutrition. I love how it's like so gold. Look at this packaging. But yeah, on the back now I can definitely tell this is a sheet mask. So it says, since the product contains colloidal gold, excellent for skin friendliness, it provides elasticity and purification for skin. Therefore, it helps to alleviate stress of the skin, tired of various kinds of harmful circumstances, and keeps lifeless skin healthy and clean. Cool, so this is a bonus. Next up, oh, we have something for the Body Shop. I actually love the Body Shop, and this is Pink Grapefruit. Oh, so the scents are coordinated. I like that. So this is Energizing Gel Lotion. This is definitely full size. So this is $13, and it says the Body Shop is committed to being the world's most ethical and sustainable global business. I've heard great things about their business, by the way. I was watching a video about, or a YouTube video about it, and they're a great company. But anyways, the softening gel lotion will hydrate and nourish your skin, which will be wrapped in moisture with a sweet, fruity scent. Awesome. I like when it comes with a pump like this. So I will definitely use this once I run out of my current moisturizer. So next thing, it looks like this might be like a sample size thing. This is the Body Shop Drops of Youth. Oh, I've had this in the past. Yeah, so this is just a sample of it. So this is like a serum that's supposed to give like youth back to your face. I remember liking it. I used it years ago. Like a few years ago, I did a massive Body Shop order online because they were having a great sale. And this is one of the things I got. And since this is an extra, it doesn't give any information on it, but it says it is a facial concentrate for youthful looking skin. Apply every morning and evening. So this can give you like a little sample to see if you like it or not enough to purchase. The next thing we have in here is some soap. This is the Madison Soap Co. Sustainably sourced, locally crafted. And this is in the scent Love. It's made with rose clay and lavender, and it's supposed to be moisturizing. So it is 96% organic. It's vegan. It is Rainforest Alliance certified palm oil and has natural essential oils and handmade in Madison, Wisconsin. Yeah, Midwest. So the Radiance Alliance certified palm oil is the strictest standard in sustainable palm. The Rainforest Alliance supports farmers in meeting strict guidelines in order to conserve biodiversity and ensure sustainable livelihoods. And then it talks about how it's locally crafted. Love that. I love that there's like a little window there so you can get a scent. That's definitely what I smelled when I opened the box. So that smells great. Let's see. And this is valued at $10. Wow, that's an expensive bar of soap. So it says, it's never a bad time to show some love to yourself or someone you care about. Rose clay adds a moisturizing slip to the soap, while essential oils of lavender and geranium rose relax the senses and body for a calming bathing experience. Looks like we might have some tea here now. This is the Fusion White Peony. Our white peony is made from Fooding Da by, I'm so sorry, cultivar tea plants which have been hand harvested in the spring. High in antioxidants and rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential oils stored in the leaf tips, Bai Mudan has been used traditionally as part of a healthy lifestyle and for weight management. That caught my attention. I'm like, weight management, I need help with that. So ingredients, organic white tea from Fujian, my phone around? Fujian. Okay, I just looked it up. So it's from Fujian Province, China. And in here you get, oh sorry, I have it up just repeating it. Let's see what else it says. But here is the label if you're able to see that. So the featured tea is valued at $10.99. And it says, from the owner, our mission from the very beginning has been to connect tea lovers with tea growers to improve the lives of both. This has always been the heart and soul of Firepot and its driving force. Today we accomplish this in a number of different ways. Since 2001, we have been traveling to the origins of tea to direct source high quality, organic, and biodynamic teas and herbs from like-minded producers. I'm excited to try this and look into this more. I've never tried this tea, and I have a lot of teas. Oh, and this comes with it. Oh, look, there's a little elephant. So the notes of this white tea are velvety, clover honey, and fresh hay. I don't know, I think that's what it means. And if we didn't say it earlier, it is organic. Oh, and there's a little nail file here that says, always believe. And this is just a little extra. Ooh, what do we have here? My Lash Serum by a Toot House. I've heard of them. I've wanted to try a new lash serum too. I've tried one in the past from a different company, I can't even remember, and I thought it irritated my eyes, but I'm willing to try it out again. I've heard about a Toot House like super recently, but anyways, cute packaging. So a Toot House My Lash Serum valued at $9. A Korean beauty favorite, this eyelash treatment nourishes and conditions for healthier looking lashes. I'm definitely gonna start using this right now. I have like a very extensive like routine with like skincare and like makeup, everything. I have mostly because I get so much stuff from my boxes that I've like fallen in love with like having a routine like that. But lash serum is not part of my routine currently, so I'm really pumped about this. Oh, and it looks like we got a book. Oh, and a bookmark. This is Perfectly You, Embracing the Power of Being Real. This is by Mariana Atencio. I love how like vibrantly colored the book cover is too. So let's see if there's some information on this. So this book is $26.99 and it says, in this much needed book, which is part self-help, part autobiography, award-winning correspondent Mariano Atencio digs into what makes each of us special and the ways in which we can become a force for good in a broken world. Sorry for stumbling over my words so much today. I am excited. I am all about reading self-care books. Like I read them way more than like fiction and stuff, because sometimes just like reading a chapter or even a few pages can really uplift your mood. So I am so happy to have this. I like how they added a bookmark too. So on here it says, Tea, Pray, Love, make your dream a reality. And then on the other side it says, take time for you today. So I'll definitely leave this in the book so I can store my spot there. So I think this is such a cute box. I love that it's a mixture of things. Like it's not just tea or not just whatever. So we got some tea that I've never tried before, and that like is exciting to me because I've tried a lot of teas before. So that's really cool. What else do we get here? The Lash serum I'm clearly really excited about. And the little extra items, we got a little nail file. The book is a huge thing. I think that is great. We have some soap. And we have even some Body Shop lotion, and I love the Body Shop, so that's really exciting. And 2 sheet masks and a sample of the Body Shop Drop of Youth. So let me just calculate the total for the prices of everything mentioned, not including the bonus items. So I added up it to be $64.47, and again you get some extras too. So you definitely get more, you know, you pay around $40, well less if you use a 30% off code, and you get over $60 worth of product. And I am, let me see, I think I'm the most excited about the Lash serum, trying the tea, and the book. But everything seems great, and the lotion, because I like using like citrusy type lotion, like citrus scented lotions in the morning, just because I think it is such an uplifting scent. So that's probably what I'll do with this. And yeah, so I will leave all the information down below. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you had a great day, and of course leave your opinions, what you think down below. If you guys tried this box, do you want to get this box, or are you going to sign up for this box? Let's talk. But anyways, have a good one. I love you guys. Bye.